Hello, I am Dr. James Brookfield. In this video, I'll guide you through installing and activating AMETEK Brookfield's DV360, the software that makes viscosity measurement easy. Let's get started. You'll receive an email from AMETEK Brookfield with a download link and an activation ID for the software. Once you've downloaded the software, right-click on the DV360 software logo and enter your admin details. Read the end-user agreement, select the box agreeing to the terms and conditions, and the installation will begin automatically. Sit back and relax while the software installs. Once the installation is complete, hit the Finish button. Now, let's activate the software. Ensure that DV360 is installed by clicking on the logo on your desktop. In the top left corner, first click Configuration, and then second click License Manager to open the activation window. This step is only necessary the first time you open the software. Fill in the necessary information in the activation window, and click Submit. And that's it. DV360 is now activated and ready for use.